Hi guys, remember that video? I don't know if you've seen it before, but in one video, the Any the love song, I was sad, because I missed my cousin Kirai, and she lives in Overleach, because we did that dance before. So, and this is my sister cooking egg. And she's watching SB19. I don't know if you guys know them. They're SB19.
Okay. Tapos, diba pag nag-work studio kami, magpapapakbo sa right-hand side mo na open Mavis. Okay. I-click mo sa open Mavis. Under, ano ba to? Teka, i-share mo yung screen mo, babe.
Looks pretty crispy.
Mukhang may issue talaga.
This is like it's cursed.
Most likely, hindi
It looks cursed.
dahil kung may issue.
Why does it look cursed?
Habang na-quick and tell her
And
na
why is it wet on the bottom?
Open Mavis.
Wait.
Work studio ko to. Yes, that's your work studio. Okay.
Wait, let me.
We got integrations.
So I got a brush
Um,
that has glitter in it.
integrations. Click mo QuickBooks. So, meron ka na makukuha yung connected.
I'm sick.
Okay.
And it might be that I'm allergic to it. So
Meron ba
I'm just
dong
brushing
option
stupid
to search there? Search ka nga
here,
ng QuickBooks.
as you can see.
Meron na tayo
Stupid
Miss
hair.
Jackie, di ba?
Let me brush
Yeah, I
it.
think so. I'm not sure. Meron na ba? Click mo nga yung connect.
It's about to end.
Connect yung QuickBooks niya.
So I need
Okay, let's say
to
continue.
wait. A few moments later. Hi guys, I'm back. And here's the final results.
Eto, nagtatanong na ako dun sa
Put her hair
isa sa mga QuickBook
so
expert
it's
na.
not too messy.
Si Hannah Bisnar. Oo, siya.
So,
Nagmamabis siya. Hindi ko alam. Parang hindi naman siya nagmamabis.
oh yeah.
For
Bye
QuickBooks,
guys. I hope you had a great vlog. Bye.